have palm oil here. I'm using palm oil. These are the ingredients I'm using to make the sweetest lentil beans today. It's been cooked, so let's see what's going on. So let's make it. Next up, I'm going to add the tomatoes, blended fresh tomatoes. Add fresh tomatoes with onions. Next, I'm adding palm oil. I'm going to make it with plantain to make it together. So I want you to try this style. It's very, very delicious. Maybe I'm going to show you how all the styles that I know how to make it lentil beans. Today I'm making this style for you to see. This is very nice. You can make it in your house. Make it with ripe plantain. Right now I'm going to add, I have sliced carrots here. See the way I slice it? It's not too small, not too big. Adding this. I have seasoning cubes here that I'm going to add. Seasoning cubes. I also have curry here. I'm going to add salt. I'm adding a little salt here. This is bay leaf. Adding it. For the pepper, for those who like using pepper, I like using pepper too. But today I have a black pepper. I want to add a little of it. It's blended black pepper. That's what I'm gonna add. Just a little of it. You can add any pepper of your choice. Then mix. Let's mix them together. This style I'm making, I actually learned it from Africa. We use the black eye beans to make it. So I'm trying using lentil beans to do it. That's the style. It's very delicious with plantain, you understand? I don't have dry crayfish here. Maybe I would have added, but you don't need to add the whole thing in your food. So with this is okay. I'm not adding much water. If you want it to be very watery, but me, I don't want it to be too watery. It's okay like this. The beans has been cooked. All I want to steam here is just the carrot and the plantain, that's all, and the little ingredients I have in it. So I don't need much water in it. That's what I want. But if you want to use it for just bread, you can add much water the way you want it. So this is how I want it. this recipe. It's just okay. Then we cover it to boil. Now I'm through with the beans. So you see the outcome. I actually blended some of the plantain inside to make it tasty. So let's see. So this is it. Let's try to make it. Make it this way. If you make it this way, you might not need bread. You eat it with the plantain in it. It depends on the quantity of plantain you want to put inside it. This is very nice and very, very delicious. Even sweeter than the other styles. So in this style recipe, you don't need much water in it. See it? It's different. So thanks for watching. Watch to the end. Subscribe for more. Because I'm going to do another style with this lentil beans. I'm going to show you another day by the grace of God. I will show you another style I use with this same plantain too, but a different way. Alright, bye bye.